monitor module installation. Apply power adapter to monitor module. Check the power LED light is on and check RF module LED light is on and flashing. This shows the communication with the node module. You need to apply the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port and check the Ethernet indicator. If flashing, means you have an internet connection. Install the sensor node. Each sensor node comes with the unique ID. You can use the rechargeable battery to the sensor node. You can apply external power adapter to the sensor node. The sensor node bottom row LED, the number 3 LED is the node status indicator. After you apply the external power adapter, the number 2 LED is the rechargeable battery status indicator. The vertical LED is show the signal strength indicator, show the near, middle, far signal strengths. The sensor tag has to be within the signal strength range. Once you out of the signal strength range, the poor signal indicator will show you are out of the range. During the calibration procedure, you need to make sure your tag is within the signal strength range. The sensor node. A sensor node can detect the sensor tag. Once they detect the sensor tag, the top signal strength LED will flashing. It shows the synchronization for sensor node. Tag installation. Each tag has the unique ID also. Apply the battery to the sensor tag. The sensor tag will send the unique ID to the nearby sensor node. The sensor node will relay this information to the monitor module. Then monitor module will send the information to the server. The tag has a page button. Once you press the button, the tag will send the page request to the sensor monitor and to the server. If you have a special request from the server will get the notice instantly. Please have a software installation guide in front of you and follow the steps to finish this process. We use the demo 18 as an example. The default user name is ADMIN, password is ADMIN123. You need to log into the system. The first step, you need to register the map. You can drag and drop any file like a JPEG or the PNG file to the map registration area. Once the system accepts your registration, you can click the map name to change the name and have a detailed description for this map. After you finish the registration, you need to click the down to complete the process. Step 3 is added the boundary. Use the single click to start on the point and go to the next point or next corner and follow through. The system will recognize the area you define during this process. Once you finish, double click and close the region. The shadow area will show that your boundary area. Go to the edit area, click, will show the highlight, and then check the boundary, purpose to the boundary, and click down to complete the boundary definition. Add node module unique ID to the map. Please use the pre-sketch map and then has the unique module ID located on each corner, and use the suggest reference height about 2 meters high. Locate each map module ID in according to your sketch and enter the node ID number to each corner and go through the add node step. Follow through for each corner to finish register the sensor node to the map. Map calibration is most critical step for the system software. Please follow this process. Turn on the single tag and walk to one of the node in front of node and press the tag for 5 seconds until the solid LED light is on. The tag will send the signal to the node will send it to the server, and then coming out the calibration map. Follow through this for each node, at least 3 node to 4 node. If you get a good curve like on the screen, then you can accept it down to finish the calibration. If you get the incorrect curve, then you need to delete the calibration data and start over until you find a good calibration data. This is the reference. Right hand side is not good data, left hand side is good data. Register the new tag. Use the register new tag field, enter the unique tag ID first and add click the plus button and update the tag name. You can update the tag personal name when you need it. You can add as many tags as your system requires. After tag registered to the system, you can do the basic test. Just click the map and then check out the emergency call function. You can click the patch that tag. The tag will make the beeping sound, and the green circle will show the tag location in real time. The red circle indicates the emergency call from the tag. Since you have many tags, you can do the focus only on a single tag or group of tag activity. So from the screen, you can either turn check on and check off the tag. Initial test. You need to put the tag to the different location and check the tag is within the tolerance, like less than half meter or meter range according to the map. If within that map it's good, you have a good calibration chart and the system is ready to go. The system has built in many features. Electronic fence to each node. You can enable either far, near, very close range to each node. When tag move to near that node, in according to the setting, it will generate an alarm sound or send the signal to the system for the additional process or alarm someone to handle the special situation. The system is built-in, very flexible. You can apply your application to the system or implement an additional function in the future.